Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your router can run VPN client software. This is crucial because many entry-level models lack that feature. Log into the router admin and note firmware version, then buy or subscribe to a reputable VPN plan. You need credentials and chosen server locations. Once done, back up your current router configuration and connect via Ethernet for stability. Make sure you have local admin rights. These steps prevent configuration loss and explain why stability and a compatible router. You now upload the provider's OpenVPN or WireGuard configuration to the router, or install the router's VPN app if available. This is where the tunnel is created. Enter your username, password, and any pre-shared keys, then force DNS to the VPN provider so DNS leaks don't betray your traffic. Once done, choose whether to route all LAN traffic through the VPN or enable split tunneling for selective devices. Make sure to enable the kill switch to stop leaks when the tunnel drops. You finish by testing. Open a browser on a home device and confirm the public IP and DNS reflect the VPN server. This proves the tunnel works. If you see connectivity issues, reboot the router, inspect VPN logs for handshake or certificate errors, and try a different server. Changing protocol from UDP to TCP can help. Once done, save the working config. If problems persist, restore the backup, update router firmware, or contact VPN support for provider-specific guidance. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves odd failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.